In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Shopify password to unlock your store. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This is where all storefront settings live, including the password that controls access to your site while it's locked. Inside Online Store, go to Preferences. If you're not seeing it right away, don't worry. Preferences is the section that holds your storefront SEO, analytics, and most importantly for today, your store access controls. Open Preferences, then scroll until you reach the area labeled Store Access. Expand the section called Password Protection. This is the exact place where your storefront password is managed. For security reasons, Shopify does not reveal an existing password. So if you were hoping to view the current password, you won't see it displayed here. Instead, you can set or change it. Click into the password field. If you already know the password and just needed to confirm where it's configured, this is the field that defines it. If you don't know it, simply type a new password here. The moment you save your settings, that becomes the password customers will use to get into your store while it's locked. Right below, you'll see a message field for the password page. This is the text visitors see when they land on your locked storefront. It's a great place to share a short note, like your launch date, a brief description, or a contact method. Click into that message area and update it so customers understand what's happening and how to reach you. Clear communication here reduces confusion and support requests. A couple of quick tips as you work in this section. Choose a password that's easy for your audience to type but still secure. Avoid personal information or anything you use elsewhere. If you're sharing the password with collaborators, send it through a secure channel and change it later if needed. And if your goal is simply to know where to control access, remember, store access and password protection inside Preferences is the one place to manage it. Once you've set the password and updated the message, you're all set. Anyone who has the password can enter your storefront, and everyone else will see your customized notice. That's how you find and